Agriculture has come a long way since the days of manual labor and horse-drawn plows. Today, farmers rely on technology to improve efficiency and productivity. One of the most exciting developments in agriculture technology is the use of robots. Robots are revolutionizing the way we farm, making it more efficient and sustainable. In this video, we'll explore how robots are being used in agriculture and the benefits they bring. Hi, I'm John, and I've been farming for over 30 years. I've seen a lot of changes in the industry, but nothing quite like the robots we're using now. They're helping us save time, reduce labor costs, and improve the quality of our crops. Let's take a closer look at how they work. In this video, we'll explore the different types of robots used in agriculture, how they're programmed, and the benefits they bring to farmers and the environment. There are several types of robots used in agriculture, each with its own unique capabilities. Ground-based robots are the most common type of robot used in agriculture. They can be programmed to perform a variety of tasks such as planting, harvesting, and weeding. Planting robots use GPS technology to plant seeds with precision, reducing the amount of seed needed and improving crop yields. Harvesting robots can pick crops faster and more efficiently than human labor, reducing the cost of labor and increasing productivity. Weeding robots use sensors to identify and remove weeds, reducing the need for herbicides and improving the health of the soil. Drones are also used in agriculture to spray crops with pesticides and fertilizers, reducing the amount of chemicals needed and improving the accuracy of application. Inspection robots use sensors and cameras to monitor crop health and identify any issues, allowing farmers to take action before problems become severe. All of these robots can be controlled remotely, allowing farmers to monitor and adjust their operations from anywhere. By using robots in agriculture, farmers can reduce labor costs, increase productivity, and improve the quality of their crops. Programming robots for agriculture requires specialized knowledge and skills. Farmers and technicians must write code that tells the robot what tasks to perform and how to perform them. The code must take into account factors such as soil type, weather conditions, and crop type. Farmers can use tablets or other devices to control the robots and monitor their progress. The robots can be programmed to work autonomously, freeing up farmers to focus on other tasks. Farmers can also use data collected by the robots to make informed decisions about their operations. For example, inspection robots can collect data on crop health and yield, allowing farmers to adjust their irrigation and fertilization practices. Planting robots can be programmed to adjust the depth and spacing of seeds based on soil conditions, improving crop yields. Harvesting robots can be programmed to identify and pick only ripe crops, reducing waste and improving efficiency. By programming robots for agriculture, farmers can save time, reduce labor costs, and improve the quality of their crops. The benefits of using robots in agriculture are numerous. First and foremost, robots can help farmers save time and reduce labor costs. By automating tasks such as planting, harvesting, and weeding, farmers can focus on other aspects of their operations. Inspection robots can help farmers identify issues with their crops early on, allowing them to take action before problems become severe. Drones can help farmers apply pesticides and fertilizers more accurately, reducing the amount of chemicals needed and improving crop yields. Robots can also help farmers reduce their environmental impact. By using data collected by the robots, farmers can adjust their irrigation and fertilization practices to reduce water and chemical use. Weeding robots can reduce the need for herbicides, improving the health of the soil and reducing the risk of chemical runoff. Harvesting robots can reduce food waste by picking only ripe crops, improving efficiency and reducing the amount of food that goes to waste. By using robots in agriculture, farmers can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and promote sustainability. The future of robots in agriculture is bright. As technology continues to advance, robots will become even more sophisticated and capable. We can expect to see robots that can perform a wider range of tasks such as pruning and thinning. Drones will become even more important in agriculture, with the ability to collect data on crop health and soil conditions. Farmers will be able to use this data to make even more informed decisions about their operations. We can also expect to see robots that are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. By using robots in agriculture, farmers can continue to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and promote sustainability. The future of agriculture is exciting, and robots will play a key role in shaping it. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative solutions that will help farmers feed the world.